Okay. So we have went over with base 10 blocks how to subtract, and the reason why, like I said, we have to borrow from a 10 rod in order to get enough ones to subtract the ones. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is a stacked math version. Okay, so I know you guys love stacked math with addition. We're now going to do that with subtraction. So when we are doing subtraction, you need to still make sure that you put the first number on the very top, okay? So if I have 54, I'm going to put 54 on the top, okay? Your second number in the line goes right underneath. And then this is your equal sign, okay? So when we are doing stacked math, or when we're doing the subtraction this way, what all you guys need to think about is this here is our ones, and this here is our tens, okay? Actually, sorry, I'm going to put it a little bit higher. I'll erase this guy. We got tens here, and our one place value here. Okay, so you can kind of imagine that we have like an imaginary line that runs right through there, okay? So now, again, we're just looking here, and we're going to say, okay, let's subtract our ones. So we have to subtract 6 from 4. Now, can we do that? No. So just like before, the 4, we got to pop over and ask the 5, hey, can I borrow a 10 frame from you? So what would happen then, and I'm just going to show it with our 10 frames. So we had, I'll do it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then over here we have 4 ones. But we don't have enough ones to subtract 6. So we're taking one of these 10 frames away, right? We're going to borrow one of these guys. So what you need to do to make sure you can remember this in your stacked math process is you need to cross off your 5. Okay? So now if I took away or borrowed one of these 10 frames, how many am I left with? Right, 4. So I'm going to put a 4 here now. Okay, because we don't have 5 anymore, we have 4. And over here, if I put this guy here and I split them all up, I would have 14. I know it's squished, I should have put a little space in there, but that's okay. You guys are brilliant. So I have 14 here and 4 over here now. Make sense? Hopefully. This is tricky because I can't read you guys. All right, so 14 subtract 6 is, so I'm going to just show you guys a way because some of you can just rattle that off. Some of you can be like, okay, it's this. Some of you might need a little help. So there's 2 different ways we can do it. You can go 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, okay? Or you can start at 6 and count up to 14. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we'd have 8. So your answer here would be 8. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, ones are done. Now I have tens. So I have 4 tens and I need to take away one of those tens. Can I do that? Can I take 1 from 4? Absolutely. What is 4 minus 1? So again, you can count down or up. So 4, 3, or from 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 3. So then we have 3 tens and 8 ones. Your answer then would be 38. Okay? I'm going to go over one more example before I let you guys go because that might have been a little bit confusing. So I'll just move these guys over here. Get them out of here. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Man, I miss you guys. I wish you were here in the classroom to laugh at my sweet jokes. Okay. Sweet. Okay, we'll do 32 subtract 25. Okay, so let's line them up. Again, you need to make sure that your first number goes on the top. 32 subtract 25. Okay, so now, can I take 5 away from 2? No, so what I need to do is I need to ask this 3, hey, can I borrow 10 ones? And he's going to say absolutely. So this 3 turns into a 2 and gives the 2 a 10. Okay, so now this number is 12. Okay, can we subtract 5 from 12? Absolutely, because now there's enough there. So what I'm going to do is you can either count down from 12, okay? So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So my answer here would be 7, but you can also start at 5 and count up to 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to have to take, we have 2 10s, and I need to take away 2 10s. So what would that be? 2 subtract 2. Big old goose egg. 0. Now, do I need to put that 0 there? No, because the answer simply is 7. You wouldn't say 0, 7. Okay, so you don't have to put it there. It won't be wrong if you do, okay? So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. I did just want to kind of go over the next page in your guys' booklet. So we're moving on to the next week. On the top it should say April 20th to April 24th. We're going to go into how many more. So what you guys need to do is you need to read the problem at the top. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to read it to you. Hang tight. I'll grab it. Okay, so it says, oh, can you see me? It says, don't miss the children's pet show at the county fair. No, at the country fair. We now have entries for 13 rabbits, 54 dogs, and 37 cats. If you are 12 or younger and want to enter your pet, call us today. Lots of prizes will be awarded, including most unusual pet, softest pet, cutest pet, and pet with the longest ears. So, here's your problem. There are more dogs than rabbits entered in the show. How many more? How should you solve the problem? Use pictures, numbers, or words. What I would like you guys to do is to show me your stacked math way, but then also do it, just draw a picture of the base 10 blocks, okay, so that you're understanding exactly what's happening here when you're borrowing, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully the lessons, I didn't go too fast, too slow. Anyways, hope you guys are all doing well. Miss you lots. Have a wonderful day and week.